Welcome to another episode of Macy 2 Cute Cakes. I'm so excited, but it's the same day because I did this Bonnie Barkington and this like right before I left, and I went to the museum and I got to see the Blue Angels. And guess what I got? I got an aircraft carrier that I'm going to be opening for you guys. And we went to McGuire's. I got this little puppy. I named her Lucky Lucy, and I'm gonna take her off her leash. Got her leash right there. So I'm just going to open this. Okay, so we've got. Hey, Mom. We're going down to the pool after I open this. I told my mom that I was gonna be opening this for everyone. I was gonna take it down to the pool, but I was afraid that I was going to lose it. So it's just that aircraft carrier. But that still is pretty cool. Just having anything like this is cool. I don't want to break it, because I haven't even got to something. Okay, did I break it? No, I did not break it. It's got this little thing. Stick it in there. Man, this is cool. Awesome. Let's see. Get all the little planes out. All the little planes are taped with this one. 3 big pieces of tape. Okay. Ooh, and these little planes, the wheels, they actually roll, so you can like that's pretty neat, you guys. That is awesome! Like, every time, because they were like space alarm, I mean, not space, like, they were little, Air Force stuff and like little helicopters. It was awesome in that museum. These 2 airplanes were anxious to come out. There are these 2 little airplanes. And I think this blue one is my favorite because, you know, blue is my favorite color.
Yeah.
And trash. Look at this, Mom.
Awesome.
And look. And look. And
Very cool.
yes. I'm so excited. I'll see you on the next episode of Macy 2 Cute Cakes. Bye.